All right, we are going. It's now recording.
We're live. Maybe Dan will get here anytime now. So
Yeah, you probably will. All right, guys. So for the last section of the homework, or part 2 of the homework, did you guys have any questions?
no, just kind of cumbersome doing all the different stock options there. And,
I mean, I can't imagine. I use 15 intervals for each one of my graphs, so I can't imagine it'd be that much different from everyone else's.
Yeah.
What was the best company to you guys?
I was thinking, well, probably B or C. Probably B, since it has a high mean and the standard deviation is not as high as C, so it's like not as risky of an investment.
Doesn't deviate as much, huh?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was leaning towards that one with that kind of steadiness too. So
to me, I thought D would be the best option, even though it had minor growth. It's been around the longest. It's had the most years on the market, and standard deviation was the lowest. So even though the mean was also the lowest, but I thought that would have a lot more stability. They've been around a long time. They've had a lot of experience. So.
Wait, which one? You say B? You said D? Yeah, D only has a mean of 0.7.
I looked at their most recent years too.
Okay.
So
you did a little more digging than I did then. So
yeah. So even though it has such a small mean, to me, it'd be the most stable option.
Especially since it's been doing better in the recent years.
Yeah.
Cool.
I guess that's a good thing to look at the trends when you're looking at that too. So you look at it and see if, over the years they've just gotten better and better. So.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. Is there anything else that you guys were wondering about when it came to the assignment, the homework?
No, just getting the terms down and how to do everything. All this, all the standard deviations and the quaterals and 5-number summary and the box plots and making sure I know how that all put together. So.
Cool. All right. Well, let's go ahead and open up the quiz then.
Okay.
Let me know when you guys are ready to go, and then we'll start.
I'm on number 3 now, so.
Are you ready, Michael? Okay. So, number 3. Find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in the wrong side lawsuits. So you guys just have to plug this into the Excel spreadsheet. Have you guys downloaded that yet?
I did.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's for wrong. So that wrong patient. What's that referring to?
Sorry, have you downloaded did you download the spreadsheet already?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just go to the wrong patient column and then highlight all of those, copy and paste it into the spreadsheet called
quantitative something there.
Yeah.
So it's not looking for wrong patient, it's looking for wrong site. Question 3.
Yeah, wrong site. Sorry, yeah. It's wrong site. Yeah, so we're looking for wrong site, so go ahead and plug that in. I got 80,041 moles.
0.243, yep.
Okay. Question 4, what's the median amount? So just look down there to the median. What'd you guys get?
68,552.
Same here.
Okay.
All right. And then the standard deviation. What'd you guys get?
71404.
Yeah, 71,403.828.
Yeah, it's the US whole dollar, so 7.
Now that said to round it to the whole dollar, so I put the whole dollar in there.
You're right, yeah. 71,404 would also be right, yeah.
That way you don't get that wrong when you submit it. So
yeah. Good catch. All right, so for the next 5 questions, we're just using the survival times that they give us here. Okay, perfect. What is the mean survival time for these 4 patients? I get 7.
7, yeah.
Is that what you got, Michael?
I'm still
plugging. You're still plugging in?
That's fine. We can slow down.
Okay, 7?
Yep.
Yeah. And then the median. What did you guys get for the median?
4?
Yep, I got 4 as well. Except if you were to do this one by hand, wouldn't you take 5 plus 19 divided by 2? Or am I understanding that wrong?
Is there 5 points? There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 points.
Right?
Yeah, 1 and 19.
Yeah, I just don't understand. I thought the median was the middle number. Is that right or no? Oh yeah, 1, 3, 5, and 19. And so the middle numbers would be 3 and 5. The average would be 4.
Yeah, you have to put them in order first.
19 would be the high. That'd be the max.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. And then question 8: what would be entered in the space labeled A in the table above? Let me know when you guys.
So 19 minus 7, so 12.
12.
12.
Yeah. That's what I got as well.
B.
I got 36.
I got 36 also, so it's a something squared, so that's 6 squared.
Mm-hmm. And then
wait.
It is 6 squared, yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, I'm looking at the wrong number. So 1
and then,
minus 6, okay, yeah. So 36?
The difference squared, yeah.
And then what is the standard deviation?
The survival times.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
So that would be, we took
I just kind of plugged it into that Excel spreadsheet again to get all this. So.
Yeah. That's what I did. I can do it I did it by hand once though, just to make sure. But.
Yeah, me too. I've got a little notebook here where I did everything by hand to make sure I know how it works out. So.
Yeah. Is that fan sounding thing just a feedback when you did it there?
I'm not sure where that's coming from.
Okay. You don't have a fan going in the background, do you?
Not unless it's a fan on my computer I can hear here when I get too close.
I haven't found a loud fan on my computer.
Oh, I'm betting it's the fan on your computer. Yeah, that must be it.
Yeah, and I heard it in the video, and recording the video.
Mm-hmm. So,
all right, what'd you get, Michael?
8.16497.
The spreadsheet came up with 8.2.
I just got 8.2 because I think you have to round it. So.
Yeah, 8.2. Yeah, rounded. So 8.16.
Cool. And then wrong patient lawsuit costs. What is the first number in the 5-number summary? That one was pretty easy. I got
That threw me off for a minute. I just started putting the first number in the list until I figured out what we're talking about here.
Oh, yeah?
I hadn't read what 5 number was yet. So
Oh.
then I went, oh, that's stupid. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I got 0.
And then question 12, what's the second number in the 5-number summary? Which would be the first quartile?
3,900.
3,900, yeah.
3,900, yeah.
And then what is the 4th number in the 5-number summary?
That'd be median. I mean, Q3, not median. So it'd be 50,146.
You round to the nearest cent, so it'd be 50,145.50.
Yeah, yeah. So you got to keep it in pennies there. So if you rounded it, you
Yeah.
get it
Oh,
wrong.
it's nearest cent. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why we do it together. Got
it. Catch these little things.
Yeah. Okay. Are we ready to move on to 14?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. What is the 3rd quartile in the box plot above, basically? I'm guessing like 190.
See, I was about 175. I thought that was about I don't know if that's a 3/4 of the way through or what, you know?
Yeah.
So
guess what you want.
So it said estimate, so it's got to give you some leeway there.
I'm sure.
Because that would be, so the 3rd quartile would be the top, right?
Be the top
Right.
part of the box.
Right below 200.
The part at 700, that's the max.
Yeah.
And the one below would be the 3rd quartile. So yeah, that looks about 190, 180.
Yeah, see, I picked 170, 180s because the medium is 105 and it gave you that, and you could see how close that line was to the line. So anyway.
Okay.
Anyway, somewhere in there.
Okay.
Let's put 180.
180 be close enough.
Serve time, the red box customers.
710. That's what I put.
710.
Yeah. I was 725. See, I'm a little higher than you guys, so I'll go.
Based on box plot, what is the value of the mean? Oh.
So this one.
That's a tricky one. I'm not sure.
I think it's
105 was. Well, the mean is. Oh, it said mean, not medium. Okay.
Can you determine the mean from a 5-number summary?
Let's see.
I'd have to look at the textbook. Let me check real quick. 5
So the mean is a division.
The textbook just points out that the median and the mean are not the same thing on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it can be determined.
Yeah. You already take it. Didn't you get it?
I already submitted once before we all conferred on what the right answers were, and I didn't get 100%, but I saw where I went wrong. And yeah, so one of you could submit.
So did we choose anything you got wrong yet?
No, I made sure we corrected everything that I got wrong. So it's the only one I'm not sure about is the last one.
So this cannot be determined, huh?
I'm thinking that's it, yeah.
I think that's
right.
All right. So who's going to be the brave one?
I'll do it.
Okay. I'll save my try for a 3rd attempt here. So.
Okay. What is it, Michael? Did it?
Yep, you're right. This cannot be determined.
So we got 100% if you did all that? Is that what you got? Okay. So I will go to submit quiz.
Okay, and I'll go ahead and what did you guys put for 14? You guys put 180 or something?
14, I put 180.
And Market, that's correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So I got 100% too with the numbers. We all kind of same numbers you guys came up with. So
sweet. Okay. And then for next week, do you want to go ahead and be like the moderator, David?
Yeah, I could set it up next week. So
okay.
Plan on.
I'll post this right now.
Okay, right, great. Tuesday at 6:30 then.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
I'll see what happened with Dan there. So
yeah, I'll have to email him.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Maybe next time. All right. Thanks. Talk to you later. All right. See ya.